Now I'm going to talk about feedback within context. Now if I go to this Walmart and if I have ordered something on Walmart, it is going to show me the process that you placed order, then it's processing, and right now the status is shipped. So it is a very good form of feedback. Also it is showing me when it is going to arrive, also the box number. Now once I click on this track item, this is where the problem starts, and I'm going to give you how you are going to really use the feedback in really nice terms. Now once you click the track items, you are going to see this screen. Okay, so my memory, working memory is very limited. So the problem here on this screen is that I don't know what was the package, and if I have opened like 3 or 4 multiple screens of different tracking items, I do not know what the item was. So it is showing me the estimated delivery, but where is the item name or the box name or the items I ordered? So this is really, confusing for me. So they are violating the problem which is within context. So whenever you use your feedback, it should be within the context. Within context means that it should show the status of the thing, and also the thing what's the status is related to. So this status is related to a box I ordered, and it should be somewhere on the screen that this box is going to arrive on 24th May. So this is very important when you are using feedback. Few more things they have violated over here is working memory. They have increased the load on working memory. I cannot remember if I have opened 3 or 4 of these pages. I cannot remember that which item this page is talking about. So this is really important in any user experience design, that you should remain in the context and don't try to violate other rules or put some cognitive load on your user's mind. So this is another tip which came to my mind after I used this Walmart. I thought that I should share with you. Let's move on to the next lesson. If you have any questions, do ask me. See you soon.